Long live all the small towners, sun up to sundowners, that old school Haggard and Hank. Long live long neck bottles and wide open throttles and old dirt roads with no name. Long live them country girls, long legs and cut up jeans. Long live this way of life, long live nights like these. Long live, long live, long live nights like these. Hey everyone, this is Blaze of Blaze Guitar Lessons. I want to teach you how to play the new FGL song that just came out. This is how to play Long Live by Florida Georgia Line. So it's a great song. I love it. I love FGL. I know not everyone does, but I do. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. Please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials if you haven't already subscribed. But you can hit like even if you have subscribed, okay? In fact, I would appreciate it if you would all hit like on this video. And also thanks so much to everyone who has hit like and hit subscribe and who has asked for requests and stuff like that. If you guys have any requests, please let me know, okay? Alright, let's get into it. Standard tuning, no capo, just that raw guitar, baby. Okay, so what you're going to do is, you're only going to need 4 chords for this song. You're going to need G, and D, A minor, okay, if you can see that, A minor, and C. That's one of the easiest transitions ever, okay? Those are the only chords you need to know. So what you're going to do, you're going to start the song by playing those G, D, A minor, C. Alright, right in a row. So you're going to do. You play it again. Okay, so for that you're doing down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 down, up, down, up. Okay, so you're just gonna do that over and over. Just the down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. One more time slowly. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. Okay? You're just going to do that over and over for the intro and the chorus. The verses is different, and I'm going to show you right here how I think you should play it for the verses, okay? Okay, I think you should actually just palm mute, okay, and then do the bass notes of them, okay? So palm muting, for you, those of you who don't know, you put this part of your hand as close as you can right here to the white bridge thing, and then you're just going to play the bass notes. Okay, so for G, I'm doing the E and A strings. Okay, so you're doing so that's how you would play it if you're doing the intro. You're gonna play it down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Yeah, it's a Friday night, we circled up, it's going down round these pickup trucks. Okay, so you're just doing, see that? Yeah, it's a Friday, Friday is G, Friday night, we circled up, so circled is D, we circled up, it's going is A minor, going down round these pickup trucks. Pickup trucks is C, okay, up trucks, pickup trucks, yeah, it's a cold, okay, yeah, it's cold cans, cold is G, yeah, it's cold cans, and Dixie, okay, Dixie is D, easy to remember, Dixie cups, just out, let's see, just out here doing what we've always done, always a C, always done, okay, now you don't have to palm mute it, but I think that sounds better, okay, or you can do, yeah, it's a Friday night, let's see, it's a Friday night, we circle, so you're seeing I'm just doing the same thing, down, 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 up, 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 down. So you can do that too, just down, 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 up, okay? So you can just do that as well. But I think it just sounds a lot better if the verses are quieter than the chorus. So when you get to the chorus, you're going to do that same thing. Long live all, sorry, the same thing as the intro. Long live all the small towners, sun up to sundowners. Okay, so I'm going to show you where you play each chord for the chorus. Okay, so you're going to do long live all the small towners. So all is G, all the small towners, sun up. Okay, sun up is where you do D. Up to sundowners and old. Okay, old is A minor. Old school Haggard and Hank. Okay, Hank is C. Hank, long live long. long, like on long neck, is we're gonna do G. Long neck bottles and wide is D. Wide open throttles that old. Okay, and old before dirt, old is A minor. Old dirt roads with no name. Name is C, okay, no name. Name. Long live them. Okay, long live them. That's where you're gonna do G. Country girls, long legs and cut up. Okay, long legs and cut is where you're gonna do D. Cut up jeans, long. Okay, then long is A minor. Long live this way of life, long. Then the next long is C. Long live nights like these. These is G. These. Long live. So after live, you do D. Long live. So it's like these. Long live. Long live. Okay, then after the second live, you do A minor. Long live. Long live. Okay, then after the third long live, you're going to go to C, and then you do before the fourth long live. Long live nights like these. Okay, then you're going to go into the next verse. Okay, song's super easy for the solo. You're just going to do the same thing. You're just going to do G. You're going to strum it like you would for the chorus. Okay, so G, D, A minor, C. Now when you do the bridge, the only thing I would do differently here is I would just slow it down and just do single strums or something. Long live them glory days, on them back 40, let's see, on them back 40 days, okay? On them back 40 days, all them pass it round, okay? Pass it down story days, okay? Just like that. Long live all the small towners, okay? Super easy. So that's the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. It's been a lot of fun, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.